Hi, this is Paulette from the Magical Needle, and this is a quick tutorial on how I do my on-point square Christmas stockings. You need 3 solid colors cut 2.5-inch squares. Then you need 6 background fabric for your stocking that are 3 1/4 or 3 1/2. I like to make my background fabric larger and then I trim it down to size, as you can see in the video. For the background fabric, I cut diagonal from corner to corner. So now you can have 12 pieces. So each of the solid 2 1/2, you need 4 diagonal pieces. And you can see how I sew it together in the video. And then I trim it down to size so it's 2 1/2. And then I make sure when I sew the squares together that all the points match. I do add fabric on the left and the right side, background fabric. Make sure it's at least 3 1/2 on each side, 10 inches long. And then I add fabric to the bottom for the heel and then fabric to the top. And then I use a large stocking template. I hope this inspires you.